Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can get started with affiliate marketing with zero money down. Yes, a lot of people could start affiliate marketing without putting any investments into their business at first. Okay, so yes, a lot of people could do this, and you could do this as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could get into this. Completely free and easy to start. So before we get into this video, I want you guys to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and hit that subscribe button so you guys could know when I upload my next video. And I'm still doing the 30-day challenge. So yeah, so without no further ado, let's get started. So what you guys want to do first is actually go to YouTube. You guys need to create a YouTube account. It's a free YouTube account where you guys can actually start creating a YouTube account. Yes, I know I preach a lot about creating a YouTube account. It's because it's completely free and one of the best ways for you guys to start affiliate marketing without putting any money. You do not have to show your face. You do not have to you do not have to show your face, and you guys do not have to you do not have to show your face. It's one of the best things to do if you guys are not comfortable showing your face, but you guys do have to do voiceovers or do a little presentation on how you guys are promoting that product. So after you guys create your simple free YouTube account, you guys could go to any of these if you guys want digital products, I suggest to go to ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the most beginner friendly ways to actually get started doing it. As you can see, they have a lot of categories, arts, betting system, business, computer, cooking, e-business, education, employees, fiction, games, so forth and so forth, health and fitness, home and garden. A lot of people could make a lot of money using these categories and stuff like that. Okay, and the best other one is if you guys already have a physical product, and you guys just want to promote that, and you think you guys like that. Actually, Amazon Associates, you could promote anything. You guys could promote this camera right here, the mic, the books, this keyboard I have right here. Pretty easy. I'm gonna go to Amazon website and see how many things you guys can actually start promoting. You guys could promote anything right here. These headphones right here, the Sony headphones, Bose headphones, stuff like that. And there's other ways you guys could actually start doing it. If you guys look up recurring commissions, let me see, recurring commission affiliate programs. There you go. I forgot to put the rest. You guys could actually start becoming, just look into it. What's the best recurring commissions? And they tell you right here, and they're all digital services where you guys could actually start promoting digital services and stuff like that, like Get Response, Aweber, Active Campaign, Drip, Send Lane, so forth and so forth. Like I'm gonna give you guys an example of one of the other guys that actually does promote a recurring commission one. I'm pretty sure he's promoting ClickFunnels, how to promote ClickFunnels and stuff like that. So he's showing you guys how to use their website, and I'm pretty sure he has an affiliate link down here. So let me show you guys real quick. Okay, all of these are affiliate links right here. All of this, Franklin.live, that's all. These are affiliate links. If you press on this, he's gonna go to one of the affiliate links. So let's go to ClickFunnels and let's see. It's an affiliate link directly to ClickFunnels, and it's one of the recurring commissions that he tries to get. If you guys don't know what recurring commission means, it's basically just paying you each month after when somebody is on it. It's like a monthly service. So every time they pay, you get charged. You get paid. So every time they get paid, you get paid. Okay, that's how it works with recurring commissions. And it's a digital software that you guys can start using. People use it for affiliate marketing. People use this product for all sorts of stuff, like even creating their own websites and stuff like that. But yeah, it's pretty simple where you guys could, people use it for courses as well. Web hosting, that's also an affiliate link. Email, another affiliate link, a free theme. All these are affiliate links where you guys could start getting promoted. And he also does free courses, start a YouTube channel, best ClickBank tutorials, all that stuff. He's basically just gonna be talking about this affiliate, how to promote ClickBank and showing you guys how you guys could start. He tells you all the stuff, how to sign up, how to get started, and stuff like that. And I'm pretty sure he gives you, pretty good knowledge, because I bought one of his courses before, and his course is pretty amazing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this YouTube this video right here. Let me click back and show you guys more examples. Like, if you guys don't want to even show your face, you guys could easily go here. Let me give you an example. Bose reviews. I'm just gonna put headphones. He shows his face. Let me see one that does not show his face, so you guys could know. I'm pretty sure I've seen.
Sorry guys, I can't come much.
Finally, Moses moved $200 noise canceling.
No, he's showing his face. Let me see someone that. Let me see inside tech.
Recently, I reviewed Jarvis 825T.
This one he doesn't show his face. He just shows his he just does voiceovers. As you can see, like, he doesn't really show his face. Maybe that's him using it, but he doesn't really show his face. He just basically just does voiceovers with the product and showing you guys how you guys could easily start, making money with this. Okay, not making money with that, but he's showing you how to make money with. He's showing you how these Bose headphones work, earbuds or whatever. And it's pretty easy. You guys could literally just create a YouTube channel and start promoting these products. Physical products, digital products, whatever, softwares, tools, whatever. You guys could start promoting any of these products that you like and stuff like that. So it's pretty easy, and how you guys can get started. All you gotta do is have a YouTube channel, and that's it. And start, keep uploading every single week or every single day, whatever you guys want to do. But you gotta stay consistent when it comes to YouTube, okay? Because if you stop posting every other, you only post once a week. Once a month. You guys are not gonna see results as fast as you'd like. Especially if you guys want to start off for free. But then after, you gotta reinvest some of that money into your business. Your side hustle, whatever you guys want to call it. If you guys want to start off affiliate marketing the right way, I do have a free course down below in the description if you guys want to get started. And I'm gonna show you guys how you guys, change the way you guys think, do all that good stuff. It's completely free for you guys. It's links down below, but I'm also promoting a 3-day challenge if you guys want to learn from somebody else as well. But if you guys want to start off for free, use my course. And that's pretty much it. And happy 4th of July. I am recording this on 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. And I'm gonna post it right now after I get off. So yeah, guys, before you guys exit this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification button so you guys will be notified when I post my next video. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.